Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to tell about stripe function. You already hear this name. You already hear this name previously L stripe, R stripe also. L stripe is belongs to the left stripe. R stripe is belongs to the right stripe of that specific given word which will be present, and concatenate it is going to be print any string. Okay, present and concatenate going to be present inside the string. Fine. So how this is going to be work? Let's see. Fine. So first we have to write text equal to BANANA. Okay. Now x equal to text dot stripe. Fine. The text is stripe means here is going to be remove all the spaces. So print my favorite fruit x all the day. Eat all the days. That's it. So let's print Python stripe underscore str underscore fun dot py. Okay, let's see. My favorite fruit banana. Okay, equal space will added in banana. All entire statement or sentences are concatenated are joined in perfect manner and print on the console. Okay, it is going to be print on the console. So Python stripe string function dot py, when I run it, it will shows you my favorite fruit banana eat all the days. Okay, so it removes all the necessary spaces or unnecessary spaces, sorry, all the unnecessary spaces between before the banana and after the banana. When it is going to be added inside the sentence my favorite fruit, so unnecessary spaces are going to be removed and print the perfect way of manner. Fine. If you have any doubt further, go through the comment box, type there. Please like and share this video. Click on the bell icon also. When I am going to upload any future video, you will get the notifications. And also, please subscribe this channel. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Fine. Thank you.